Hello students, how are you? I hope you all enjoy very good health at your homes. So you all are welcome in the class. This is the class 4th and our subject is social science. So students, let's start today's topic. See the picture. This is the picture of map. This is the political map of India. By seeing the map, students, you must have an idea that which topic we are going to start today. Okay? I think you all have got the point. This is the map of India. So today we are going to start the topic. This is related to the India. And the name of the topic is India, location and its neighbors. So students, this is the very first chapter. You already have done the chapter in the classes. So this is the revision of the first chapter. So we will have the overview related to the India. Okay. So first of all we will deal the location of India. See the world map. On the world map you are watching this yellow color. This is the India. पूरे वर्ल्ड मैप में स्टूडेंट्स अगर हम बात करें ग्लोब में या वर्ल्ड मैप में इंडिया की लोकेशन कहाँ पे है. सो दिस इज लाइंग इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट पार्ट. सी हियर दिस इज द नदर्न ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ ग्लोब. मतलब ग्लोब में ये नॉर्थ वाली साइड में और ईस्ट वाली साइड में नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड पे इसकी लोकेशन है. ओके. और अगर हम बात करें इसकी साइज की, दिस इज द 7th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. Which country? 7th largest country in the world. Students, I advise you to listen the video very carefully because you will be able to give the answers which we are going to deliver the assignment. So this will be very beneficial for you. So watch the video very carefully. The very first question, what is the size of India? India is the 7th largest country in the world. On the other side, we can say the size of India. We can get the idea of its location. Then we can measure its size. Okay. For the location, we will have the longitude. See the lines here on the globe. These long lines are the longitude and these lines are the latitude. These horizontal lines. Okay. So there is a line, Tropic of Cancer, that passes through in India and it divides India into two equal halves, near about two equal halves. So have the detail of this on the map of India. This is the map of India. It will give an idea about the size of India. What is the total area of India? So first of all we will discuss its latitudinal and longitudinal location. लैटिट्यूड मीन्स ये हमारी जो लाइंस है, हॉरिजेंटल लाइन है, जैसे हमारा इक्वेटर है, यहाँ पे इंडिया में ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर है. दिस ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, दिस इज द लैटिट्यूड विच डिवाइड्स इंडिया नियर अबाउट टू इक्वल हाफ्स. एंड इफ यू विल टॉक अबाउट द लोकेशन, सी हियर द कर्सर in the southern part of India. See the cursor. This is 8 degree 4 minutes. मीन्स अगर हम 0 डिग्री से स्टार्ट करते हैं इक्वेटर से स्टार्ट करके ऊपर आएंगे तो 8 डिग्री, जो 8 लैटिट्यूड्स हैं, 8 लैटिट्यूड एंड 4 मिनट्स, यहाँ से इसकी लोकेशन स्टार्ट होती है. 8 डिग्री 4 मिनट से स्टार्ट होके ये ऊपर तक कितना जा रहा है, 37 डिग्री 6. ये हमारी क्या है, लोकेशन है नॉर्थ तक. ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ही है, नॉर्थ ही लिखेंगे इसको. और इस साइड में लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लोकेशन में सीट in Gujarat, Run of Kutch. This is the point Run of Kutch. 68 degree and 7 minutes. यहाँ से longitude 68 degree 7 minutes से start and it ends here in the east 97 degree to 5 minutes. So इसका extent, इसका longitudinal extent, latitudinal extent, कितने latitude से यहाँ से लेके ऊपर तक के latitude तक फैला हुआ है. So this is the longitudinal and latitudinal extent of India. अगर हम इसकी लेंथ की बात करें, यहाँ से वेस्ट से लेके ईस्टर्न साइड तक इसकी, दिस इज द ईस्टर्न पार्ट, यहाँ तक इसकी टोटल लेंथ है दैट इज 2933 किलोमीटर. और इसकी ऊपर जम्मू कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक इसकी लेंथ है 2933 किलोमीटर. So students, keep it remember. I am repeating this. Latitude 8 डिग्री 4 मिनट से लेके हमारा जाएगा 37 डिग्री 6 मिनट्स एंड लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सेंट 68 लॉन्गिट्यूड 68 डिग्री 7 से लेके 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट्स तक जाता है इसका। और स्टूडेंट्स जो हमारा इंडिया, ये सारा हमारा इंडिया, यहाँ इसका जो मिडल पार्ट है, दिस एक्सटेंट फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट, जो कि हमारा 2933 किलोमीटर है। इसका हाफ अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पे यूपी में, यहाँ पे इसका हाफ होता है लखनऊ के पास, तो यहाँ पे इसका हाफ होता है। वहाँ पे हमने एक इमेजिनरी लाइन लगा दी है, उसको बोलते हैं हम स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया। विच लाइन इज दिस? स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया। और कौन से लॉन्गिट्यूड पे है ये? 82 डिग्री एंड 30 मिनट्स। 82 डिग्री एंड 30 मिनट्स पे हमारा ये लॉन्गिट्यूड है, जो ये हमारा क्या है? स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया। और यहाँ से हम अपने क्लॉक की वॉचेस को या अपने क्लॉक के टाइम्स को, वॉचेस के टाइम को सेट करते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज द major information regarding India. So we will have the deep study related to its physical features. First of all, we will see the physical features. India is having 5 physical features. This side we are having Himalaya, mountains are there. On the southern side, this is the plateau. Okay. In Rajasthan, this side we are having the Thar desert, and in the middle here Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Bangladesh, these are the northern plains. Okay, so once again listen it very carefully. Mountains in the northern part, northeast mountains, there is the Thar desert. This one is the southern area, the plateau. This is also known as the peninsula. Student, what is the meaning of peninsula? Peninsula means this is the land area which is surrounded by water from 3 sides. The land area which is surrounded by water from 3 sides, it is known as peninsula. Okay. Then other हमारा feature है islands. This is the Lakshadweep Island and these are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So what is the meaning of island? This is the land piece, land area which is surrounded by water from all sides. ओके, सो अगर सारी साइड से वाटर है तो ये क्या बन गया हमारा आइलैंड। अगर 3 साइड से वाटर है देन दिस इज द पेनिनसुला। ओके, सो दीज आर द मेजर फिजिकल फीचर्स। नाउ सी द नेबरिंग कंट्रीज। वी आर हैविंग नेबरिंग कंट्री फ्रॉम दिस साइड विल स्टार्ट पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, इट टचेस इंडिया फ्रॉम जम्मू कश्मीर। पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, नेपाल, चाइना, भूटान, and this one is the Myanmar. This one green color, this is the Bangladesh, and in the southern part this is the Sri Lanka. So these are the 7 neighboring countries of India. So now see the states of India. Nowadays we are having 28 states. All the states are written here. So you are required to watch the video very carefully and locate the states on the political map of India. Okay. So nowadays we are having 28 states and 9 union territories. This part Jammu and Kashmir, this is no more a state now. Now it enjoys as the status of a union territory. Okay. Now see the states which shares the boundaries with the neighboring country. कौन कौन सी हमारी states हैं जो neighboring country से अटैच अपनी बॉर्डर शेयर कर रही हैं? यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे। गुजरात पाकिस्तान से बॉर्डर शेयर कर रहा है। Rajasthan, it also shares the border with Pakistan. Punjab, Jammu Kashmir. These 4 states, they share the border with the Pakistan. Okay, now see this side. We are having Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand. They share the border with the China. This side, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, they share the border with China. Here in this side, Myanmar. With Myanmar, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, they share the border with Myanmar. This side Bangladesh, it shares a border with Tripura. Okay, this is the Meghalaya, and this side the West Bengal. See, the West Bengal is still here. Okay, so this is the neighboring state Bhutan. It also shares the border with Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and West Bengal. So you have to see these countries and states very carefully. Which states of India they share the border with India? This is a very important question. This may come in the exam as 1 mark question. Okay. So be alert and do it very carefully. Now students, we will see the Union Territory of India. Now see the Union Territories. Union Territories means the area which is under the control of Union government, central government के जो under है. Nowadays this side Kashmir and Ladakh Union Territories. Here Punjab and Haryana we are having the Union Territory, that is Chandigarh. This side Daman and Diu and Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar, this is having the capital city Port Blair. Okay. Then Dadar and Nagar Haveli. This side Dadar and Nagar Haveli, capital city is Silvassa. Daman and Diu, we already discussed. Daman and Diu, the capital city is Diu. Daman and Diu, capital city. See here the Daman. Daman is the capital city, and Lakshadweep, it is having the capital city Kavaratti. Lakshadweep, see the cursor, Lakshadweep having the capital city Kavaratti. Andaman and Nicobar Deep, we have already done. Port Blair is the capital city. And this side is the Delhi, the national capital of India. See the cursor, national capital Delhi. This is also known as NCT. Okay, so these are the Union Territories of India. Now students, for you this is the very important activity. You have to create a list of 28 states along with the capital cities. These capital cities are also mentioned in your book at page number 7 and 8. So students, again I am saying few questions. You have to listen it very carefully. This is the Punjab and Haryana. Before 1966, Punjab and Haryana both were under one state. Punjab and Haryana, they were combinedly known as Punjab. It was a combined state before 1966. And this is the very small state Goa. We are having the small state Goa. This Goa was under the rule of Portuguese till 1961. 61 तक ये Portuguese के rule के अंदर था. And now see the amazing fact. This is the Meghalaya. Meghalaya means बादलों का घर, जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. यहाँ पे एक प्लेस है मासिनराम. मासिनराम पूरे वर्ल्ड की सबसे वेटेस्ट प्लेस है. द मैक्सिमम रेनफॉल इज देयर इन मासिनराम. पूरे वर्ल्ड की सबसे ज़्यादा रेनफॉल मासिनराम में है. देन सिक्किम, द वेरी स्मॉल अकॉर्डिंग टू पॉपुलेशन. ये पॉपुलेशन वाइज हमारी स्मॉल स्टेट है. गोवा जो है हमारा एरिया वाइज स्मॉल है. सिक्किम में पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम है. सो ये स्मॉल स्टेट है हमारी. बट स्टूडेंट, सिक्किम वाज अ कंट्री लाइक नेपाल एंड भूटान. ये भी नेपाल और भूटान की तरह एक कंट्री था. बट लेटर ऑन इट मर्ज्ड इनटू द इंडियन स्टेट्स. इंडियन टेरिटरी में इसको मर्ज कर लिया एंड इट बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. सो वी आर हैविंग द डिफरेंट फीचर्स ऑफ डिफरेंट स्टेट्स. So thanking students, thank you very much for being here and listening the video. Again I suggest you to watch the video repeatedly, okay, and try to solve the assignment which we are going to send you along with this video. So stay connected, we will be soon there with the new video. Till that, goodbye students.